Greetings, I am O'Shea Lennox, the hobbyist. Welcome to my channel. I have an interesting little thing to show you. And before we get started, get a hobby. Doesn't matter whether you're young, old, handicapped, not handicapped, incarcerated, or free. Get a hobby. And I want to encourage others and to inform others. Don't bury your talent. Matthew chapter 25, verse 14 through 30. I want to show y'all this nice, interesting little find I found. It is an L-shaped screwdriver, a door head. It's a door head L-shaped screwdriver. Forgive the camera's sake. Got two heads on both, a head on both ends with the L shape. Wonderful. Seems like it's made of some kind of carbon steel or something. I bought two of these with the intent to sell them on eBay. I sold, or maybe three. I sold one or two of them. But I kept the other one because it is a wonderful little tool to have. And see, you can have one bit on this end, and then take another bit and plug it on this end. So however you want to hold the screwdriver, you can hold it. You can do it like this, or you can do it like this. Let me zoom out a little bit. Or you can do it like that. And here's the wonderful thing about it. It also fits these extensions. I got two of them, they get in one row. You can also hold these extensions like right here. Plug it directly in. And then you can plug this one in. Let me zoom out some more. That's ready to go. And see how much longer of a screwdriver you have, and put your bit in here, and you're good to go. And that's the L shape, the most wonderful tool you'll ever come across dealing with small electronics. Thank you. Hit that like button, subscribe button.